How to fix Epic Games Launcher login loop error or you can't really log in. Before doing all this troubleshooting steps, make sure that you end process on your Epic Games Launcher trees. To do so, just right click on your taskbar and go to Task Manager. Now from here, all you have to do is go to Details and find your Epic Games Launcher here. For example, this one. Just right click on it and then click on end process end process tree here. The first things first is we need to go to your Windows icon right here and type run. From here, type %local app data %, and then once done, just click on enter. Now you'll just have to find your Epic Games Launcher folder here. Alright, so you'll have to delete this folder. This is actually your cache for the specific game. So just delete it. And then once you deleted that, all you have to do is to find your Epic Games Launcher file location. For example, this is your Epic Games Launcher. Just right click on it, go to Properties, and then go to Compatibility. Now, if this is currently unchecked, all you have to do is uncheck it and click on Apply, and then relaunch the game and try to relog in. If this doesn't work, then go back to the Epic Games Launcher icon and try to recheck it and click on Apply to see if that will work. So those are the troubleshooting steps on how you can fix Epic Games Launcher loop on login page or you can't log in.